Hey guys, welcome again to Technologist 24 by 7. Guys, there is a good news for you that Microsoft has released official version of Windows 10 1903, which codename is 19H1 and build is 18362. Guys, it is latest version of Windows 10. So guys, before starting, I request you to please subscribe to my channel, then I will be very thankful to you. So guys, let's start. First of all, open Google Chrome or any browser you have. Open Google search engine and then type download Windows. Then go to Microsoft official website. You can see this is Microsoft official website. From here we will download our media creation tool. So guys, here you can see create Windows 10 installation media. So guys, now click on download tool now. Media creation tool has been downloaded. Now open it. Click on yes. So guys, now we are going to download Windows 10 1903 ISO. Getting a few things ready. We will download this ISO file to our local computer hard disk. Then we can install our Windows whenever we want. It's taking time. Here it comes. So guys, now click on accept. Here it comes. It is asking what do you want to do? Upgrade this PC now or create installation media USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. So guys, now choose this one option because we are going to download ISO file to our local computer hard disk. This ISO file will be saved to our local computer's hard disk. So guys, now click on next. Uncheck this box. Now select your language, edition and architecture. So guys, after selecting, click on next. So guys, now it is asking choose which media to use. Do you want to make bootable USB drive? No, I want to download this ISO file to my computer. So guys, now choose this one option and click on next. And give any name you want and save wherever you want to save. Windows 10 1903 ISO. So guys, I'm saving this ISO file to my desktop. You can see. So guys, now click on save. It has been started downloading Windows 10. Progress 0%. Guys, because it's a large file, approximately 3.6 GB or 3.7 GB, that's what it will take time. So wait until it completes. It actually depends on your bandwidth. After downloading, it will verify. Here you can see now it's verifying our download. Progress 0%, progress 99%. So guys, now you can see our ISO file has been downloaded. At this path I will show you. Here you can see Windows 10 1903 ISO file. I will show you properties of this file. Here you can see its ISO file and its size is 3.69 GB. So guys, now our ISO has been downloaded. So guys, now our ISO file is ready. We can install Windows by making USB bootable. Guys, if you already know that how to make bootable USB drive, then stop this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, then I will be very thankful to you. So guys, if you don't know that how to make bootable USB drive, so stay tuned. I will show you that how to make bootable USB drive using easiest method ever. So guys, now click on finish. Setup is cleaning up. So guys, we have downloaded our Windows 10 1903, which is latest version, and it's officially released by Microsoft. So guys, now I will show you that how to make bootable USB drive. So guys, first of all, open Google search engine and type Rufus and go to Rufus website. From here we will download Rufus software, which is used to make bootable USB drive. It's a tiny software. So guys, here you can see, now click on Rufus 3.5 portable. It has been downloaded. Now open it. Click on yes. Here it comes. So guys, now plug your USB. I have plugged my USB. So I will show you that how to make bootable USB drive. This is my device name. Now we are going to select ISO file which we have downloaded. Now click on select desktop and select this ISO file. Now click on open. So guys, after that choose your partition scheme according to your laptop or system. If you are using UEFI type BIOS, then choose GPT, or if you are using legacy type of BIOS, then select MBR. I have an old laptop, that's why I'm using MBR. So guys, now just click on start. Keep in mind your USB will be formatted, so take backup before making bootable USB drive. So guys, now click on OK. It will take time, 5 to 10 minutes, so wait. So guys, after downloading our Windows 10 1903, now we are making bootable USB drive through which we will install our Windows 10 1903. Before installing, I will suggest you to please take backup of your data. Copying ISO files. It's finalizing. And here we go. Here you can see our bootable USB drive is ready now. We can install Windows by using this bootable USB. So guys, our bootable USB drive is ready. Now click on close. Now you can install your Windows in any PC or any laptop. I will suggest you again that don't forget to take backup of your data. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, then I will be very thankful to you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.